Hi, finally got a new apartment. You guys have no idea how long I have been wanting this. And I'm so excited that I finally have my own place. Now I'm gonna show you guys the empty apartment tour and then talk you guys through some of the things that I want to talk to you guys about the apartment basically. This is the entrance of the apartment. You walk in and the first thing you see to your left is the guest bathroom. This is what the guest bathroom looks like. And then here we have a little closet situation. Storage closet. And it's gonna be perfect for me to keep anything that I don't want out of the way. And then here is the kitchen, and it's an open kitchen, which is something that I've been wanting, and it's hard to find in Dubai. Like every kitchen here is like inside, or it's like a weird kitchen situation, but I just wanted something simple, small, since it's gonna be just me. And I wanted the like color palette similar to this, and I'm obsessed with this like tiny little corner kitchen. And I feel like it doesn't take up a lot of space, especially since the apartment is really small. So we have like some cabinets over here, and then we have the sink over here, and then we have more cabinets over here. This is the space for the washing machine. This is the space for the cooker, which is going to be a gas cooker. It depends on the apartment. Mine is gas, so I need to get a gas cooker. And then here is the space for the fridge, and then here is the living room space. Really like how simple the floors are. And then this is my bedroom. I love the floors. Not a big fan of this peach wall. Again, I'm gonna paint it white. And then also the ceiling is peach, which I don't know who decided to do that, but I'm gonna paint it white too. And this light fixture definitely will go. The bedroom is really small, which is okay because again, it's just me living here. And then on this side we have the wardrobe space, which is like really nice and like not that spacious, but it's really nice. Definitely gonna struggle, but it's all good. And then I have another closet here, and I like that they're both hanging closet because then I can fit in more clothes that way, and then I can get like bins and put more stuff up there. And then I'll have space for shoes. This is my bathroom, and then you walk in and then you have medicine cabinet style mirror, and then a little storage down here. And then here you have a shower, which is something that was so important to me. I don't like bathtubs, and I think it's awkward when you have bathtub and a shower, so I just wanted a shower, very simple. I got this from IKEA the other day and I decided to put it here. I think it fits perfectly. And then you have the medicine cabinet style mirror where you can keep all of your little products. I love how much storage space I have in the bathroom. Like, it's really perfect. So that's the empty apartment tour. I have to actually run, so I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow when I am gonna be moving to this new space, and then hopefully I'll document my process, like my moving process and everything that I do. Another thing that I wanted to let you guys know is that I'm not gonna be furnishing everything right away. I'm gonna definitely be taking my time furnishing the entire apartment. Like, I would literally be taking my time, like maybe take 2 to 3 months to like fully furnish the apartment, and then when I do that I will give you guys a fully furnished apartment tour. But it'll be nice for me to like take this as a little project and take my time furnishing, and like that's gonna be really exciting for me because I want to invest in everything that I get, and I want to make sure that everything that I get I can take to my future home if I ever decide to move again. And I know that towards the end of the year, like in December, there's a lot of sales. December, January, there's always a lot of furniture sales, so I'm definitely gonna wait for that and take advantage of the sale period. And I'm definitely also looking into buying a few items secondhand, like for example a coffee table, even the dining table. Like, I can get all of that secondhand, and it's better for the environment to repurpose and give pre-loved items a new home rather than buying something new. I want my space to be a place that I can shoot content in because that's a priority of mine, and then I also want it to be a space that I can feel comfortable and happy, and have my friends over and have them feel comfortable and happy and relaxed. Like, I don't want anything over the top, I don't want anything crazy. I just want it to be like a nice little home that you can come and chill after a long day of work and just hang out. And I work from home, so I also need a space that I can work from home from. Good morning, you guys, and welcome to my bathroom. So I spent the night last night, and this is my first morning in the new apartment. It felt so weird like waking up here this morning, and it just felt foreign and weird. But basically I just woke up, did my little skincare. I'm in my robe right now. I ordered breakfast from Starbucks because I literally have like nothing in the apartment. Like, I don't even have kitchen utensils or like anything. I'm gonna tell you guys like the saddest story. It tastes weird because I don't like regular like mocha. I also ordered the cheese and feta pretzel. Could you guys hear the echo? Empty apartment echo. I set up the mattress last night, and I literally just got my bedding and I set it up until I get a bed. This is gonna be where I'm gonna be sleeping for a little while. Are you ready to hear the most ghetto story time? I had everything packed early morning yesterday. I've been packing for a while, and I've been just like between here and the old apartment just trying to figure everything out. I had to, you know, connect the DUA, which is like water and electricity. I had to connect the Wi-Fi. And then like every time that they need to do something, I have to be here to make sure that it's done. I ordered basically like the mattress that you guys saw me getting last night. I ordered curtains. So like I had to get, you know, things set up in the new apartment so it's like nice and ready when I move in. And I had everything like planned out. Like, I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I'm like so much of an organization freak, and I'm like so OCD. I had everything planned. I was just like, okay, I'm gonna do this on this day, I'm gonna do this on this day. And I like today, this morning, I was supposed to be unpacking and getting the apartment ready, like getting rid of boxes and stuff like that, and like finding a place for everything. So even though I don't have any furniture right now, I have built-in closets, and then I have the kitchen. So I was just gonna like fill out all my utensils, whatever I have, I was gonna put them in the kitchen, and then everything that needed to go into the bathroom, I was gonna put it in the bathroom. Everything like clothes, shoes, whatever, I was gonna put them in the closet. I basically had a plan, right? And then I had my desk and chair from the old apartment that I was gonna bring here so I can have a place to work from until I can find I can like buy a nice dining table, which is gonna serve the purpose of eating and then also like hanging out. So you know, I had everything planned out, and then I booked the movers for yesterday, and then the security told my movers that they couldn't go upstairs and I had to go down. So I went downstairs, and then they were like, do you have a permit to move out? And I'm like, I thought you needed a permit to move out if you were moving out the whole apartment, because I share the apartment with like 2 other girls. So I was just moving out my bedroom, literally my bedroom. And granted, I do have a lot of clothes and shoes and stuff because, you know, you guys know what I do. And I had around 8 boxes. And they were like, no, that's still a lot of things. Like, even though you're just moving out from your bedroom, like that's a lot of things. And I was just like, I was not aware that I needed this. And I spoke to the landlord, and she was like, yeah, you don't need a permission to move out since you're not moving out the whole apartment. She's like, you don't have like any big furniture. I was like, no, I literally have 8 boxes, a mirror, a desk, and a chair. And they were being so difficult about it, like so freaking difficult about it. And I was just like, what the fuck? So now I'm trying to sort it out with her. She's trying to get me a permission to get everything out of the apartment. And I was like, if I knew this was gonna happen, I would have submitted this permission form like at least a week ago, because I know how things are. And I didn't know that I had to do this. Like, I literally, you know, when I told my landlord that I was gonna move out, I told her, hey, I'm gonna move out, do I need anything? She was like, no, you gave me a month in advance notice and you're gonna get your deposit back. She never said, and she was like, I'm gonna need to come to the apartment and see that the room is in the same condition that you rented it in, and that wasn't the case. that was not the case, you guys. Like, I am now in the new apartment with literally a mattress. And I took some like toiletries and like my towels and stuff so I can like shower and like get ready in the morning and at night. But apart from like my laptop and my phone, I literally have nothing else. And like I took some t-shirts to like chill and hang out in, and then obviously my robe. But I literally have like nothing, and I have to wait till I get this damn permission so I can book the movers again, and then I can move everything out from that apartment. I could have been unpacking this morning. I could have been, you know, chilling, hanging out, but instead I'm sitting here trying to figure out what to do. So I'm gonna utilize my time. I'm actually gonna work. I'm gonna figure, because I have a lot to do, so I'm just gonna like get started on work. Good morning, it's the next day and my curtains came through. I basically set up my rug, got my stuff. I still have a few things packaged, and I put up curtains, as you guys can see. It's really dark in here, but yeah. So far I just have a mattress, and I literally want a bed here and then the mattress on top of it like that, and then I want to get 2 side tables. And then this is the curtain in the living room. I wanted a place to work from, so I set up my desk and chair here temporarily until I can figure out the whole furnishing situation. So I pretty much resolved everything with the old place. Like, I got everything moved out, I handed out the keys and the access card and all of that, got my deposit back, so I feel much better that all of that is done with, and now I can focus on the new place. I'm really excited. You guys, I'm like breaking my nails left, right, and center, and I'm not gonna get, oh my god, this one also broke. I'm not gonna get a manicure until I completely unpack everything, because I know my nails are gonna continue to break as I unbox stuff and like package stuff and whatever. I was really happy with the length of my nails, and then, you know, this too happens. Also, I unpacked the kitchen a little bit. I went grocery shopping this morning and I got some stuff. I got a fresh fruit juice. I bought vegetable spring rolls, and I also bought a turkey sandwich. I bought breads, gummy worms, vanilla cupcakes, mini chocolate croissants, onions. I bought instant coffee, bananas, apples, and I also got lemons. I'm gonna go ahead and put these things away and then sit down and eat lunch, watch Australian Love Island. I'm obsessed, you guys. I love trash TV, so I'm just gonna watch a little Love Island, hang out, and then check in with you guys later. I'm about to cry. I had the guy from the maintenance come over to the apartment because I have an issue with the shower. It's like leaking a little bit. So I was like, hey, like I think you need to fix the shower. So he comes over and he puts like wax to make sure that there's no leakage. And then he's so sweet. He's like, there's like a little bit of leftover wax that I need to like vacuum. Do you have a vacuum cleaner? I was like, oh my god, you're the nicest human being ever. Like, no, you don't have to vacuum. I was like, it's fine, like I'll clean it up. But like, that was the sweetest thing ever. Like, it's literally not even that, like it's just this much and like this much, and this sweet man wanted to vacuum it. So sweet. Anyways, I'm still watching Love Island. I need to get ready because I want to shoot some content. I want to take a picture. It's like 2 p.m. right now. It's like the perfect lighting in the apartment, and I want to take a photo because the sun is not directly coming in and it's like well lit. So I think I need to take a quick Instagram photo, so I'm gonna get ready. You guys, I literally woke up to the cutest flower delivery. Oh my goodness, this is the sweetest delivery ever, and my friend Renata sent it. Thank you so much, baby girl. Good morning, you guys. So I just got ready to go out. So I still have a lot of unpacking to do. I'm also arranging for a painter to come through. I'm still finalizing that. I am in contact with a painter right now. We're trying to figure out the right time for him to come, see the apartment, and basically figure out the color of the paint, because I think it's a specific white that I have in my apartment and I want to recreate it for like this wall right here and the other wall in the living room, and I'm also going to arrange for someone to fix my light, change my light fixture. Another thing that I decided is I love the curtains for now, but I think I'm going to change them to something a bit more like less sheer, because I feel like they're too sheer and people might be able to like look through them at night. I'm not sure, I might be paranoid. I might need to get a second opinion, but I was thinking of figuring that out at some point as well. And then I'm also going to place an order on kitchen appliances, so I can hopefully sit down over the weekend and figure all of that out. But for now, I am gonna go head out to my meeting.